In 2024, the global financial industry spent $206 billion to maintain regulatory compliance. Despite that enormous expenditure, banks still paid $4.6 billion in regulatory fines. The system is collapsing under its own weight. These fines are rarely the result of institutions deliberately breaking the law. They occur because teams of human analysts are attempting to monitor continuous, high-volume financial data streams using manual, sample-based audits. The U.S. Code of Federal Regulations alone currently runs to nearly 200,000 pages. That text is constantly updated with new directives, enforcement actions, and guidance, creating a sheer volume of incoming information that a human workforce cannot physically process in real time. To survive this environment, compliance operations are abandoning reactive legal workflows. Instead, they are rebuilding their infrastructure into continuous, automated data science operations using artificial intelligence. To understand how this works in practice, we are going to build this new AI RegTech architecture from scratch, layer by layer. We will see exactly why relying on a periodic, human-led review to manage an accelerating, continuous data flow is a mathematical impossibility. We start at the base of the stack with Layer 1, the ingestion layer, driven entirely by natural language processing. Rather than assigning analysts to read EBA publications and Federal Reserve circulars, modern NLP models continuously pull unstructured text directly from global watchdogs. They read the dense legal language and isolate the specific material rule changes instantly. Doing this manually across 20 different jurisdictions requires armies of analysts to cross-reference thousands of shifting local directives. With the NLP layer engaged, the extracted rule changes are automatically mapped against the bank's internal policies. The AI identifies exactly which internal controls require modification the moment a new regulation is published. This automated mapping process compresses the institution's regulatory response cycle from months of committee meetings down to mere days. By replacing human reading with machine ingestion, banks secure an instant, continuous read on their shifting legal obligations. Above ingestion sits Layer 2, the execution layer. This is where we tackle the highest cost operations in banking, specifically anti-money laundering and customer due diligence, using machine learning. This scatterplot illustrates how traditional AML monitoring works. Fixed rules-based thresholds cast a rigid net over the data. This captures genuine threats, but it also flags enormous volumes of perfectly normal transactions, generating thousands of expensive false positive alerts for investigation teams to review. Machine learning discards those static rules. The models are trained to recognize the behavioral patterns of genuine money laundering from historical data. The detection boundary becomes fluid, wrapping tightly around actual anomalies and ignoring the noise. Leading global banks have already implemented this transition to clear out alert noise. At HSBC, deploying a machine learning platform directly targeted this exact inefficiency. They reduced their false positive AML alerts by 60% while maintaining their detection accuracy. In the United States, JP Morgan applied a similar AI-driven architecture to their transaction monitoring. Their machine learning system successfully slashed false positives by 95%. Eradicating false positives directly eliminates the massive labor cost required to investigate them. Automating this execution layer allows institutions to drive down their total compliance costs by up to 60%. The final layer of the architecture is the output and reporting layer, driven by generative AI and large language models. Identifying an anomaly is only half the requirement. Regulators demand detailed, qualitative narrative reports explaining exactly why a transaction was flagged and how the institution responded. LLMs serve as the translation engine here. They ingest the raw data streams from the execution layer and automatically generate formatted, audit-ready text documents that meet specific supervisory return standards. Industry analysts like Sam Abadir refer to this as the industrialization of compliance operations. Evidence is continuously aggregated and assembled directly from source systems, long before a formal testing cycle begins. With these 3 layers in place, the institution completes the transition from periodic, localized sampling to a continuous, full dataset oversight model. We now reach the meta-regulation paradox. The specific AI technologies banks require to achieve compliance are now aggressively regulated targets themselves. The European Union's AI Act enforces its strictest deadlines in August 2026. Under this legislation, common financial algorithms like credit scoring models and AML systems are explicitly classified as high-risk systems. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority takes a different approach. Rather than drafting an AI-specific rulebook, they expect firms to govern artificial intelligence under existing principles, demanding strict adherence to frameworks like the Consumer Duty. Despite their different approaches, these global regulators share one core demand: explainability. An institution must be able to document and articulate exactly how its AI system arrived at any given decision. To meet this demand, banks are forced to engineer a secondary oversight system, a shadow stack, whose sole purpose is to continuously monitor and document the behavior of the primary AI stack. Val Herard, CEO of Safer, notes that this explainability requires providing natural language transparency of highly technical operations directly to the board level. Deploying automated models requires extensive preparation. If an institution cannot explain its model's outputs to a regulator, that black box system becomes a catastrophic legal liability. This structural overhaul directly impacts the career trajectory of anyone working within financial operations today. A compliance profile built exclusively on procedural discipline and institutional memory is no longer sufficient to govern these automated environments. The market in 2026 demands a hybrid skill set. Professionals must possess deep traditional regulatory knowledge, layered with acute technical literacy regarding how machine learning models process data. Institutions are actively recruiting for specific new titles, including model risk officers, explainable AI governance leads, and compliance managers fluent in prompt engineering. There is a severe structural deficit of professionals who hold both legal and technical qualifications, which has driven compensation for these specific roles to a premium of 20% or more. The $206 billion compliance problem forced an architectural evolution. AI-RegTech requires an entirely new class of financial engineering professional to build, monitor, and govern it.